Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is quickly modify date cells in Google Sheets. Google Sheets makes changing date cells in a spreadsheet easy. However, it has a hidden little trick that not many users know about. In this spreadsheet, you can see that I have two columns that have nothing but dates in them. I have a start date and an end date. I need to move these February 15 dates up to March 1st because the equipment has been delayed in shipping. So how would you go about changing these cells? If you are like me and most people, you would simply click in the cells and type in the new date. This works, right? However, there is a trick that requires less typing. For this tip to work, you have to make sure that the cell does not have any formula in it and does not have any output from a formula. As you can see by the formula bar, I don't have any formulas in these cells. These are strictly date cells. Now, let's modify the next February date using less typing. Simply double-click on the cell and the calendar pops up and you make your selection. That's it. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.